You're listening to AI Podcast 101 with me, Michael, and my friend Grace. Today's discussion is all about Meta's foray into the world of humanoid robots. Pretty wild, huh?
It is. I mean, Meta, the social media giant, building robots? Who saw that coming?
Exactly. And not just any robots, AI-powered humanoid robots designed for household chores.
So, like, robot butlers? That's a bit unsettling, but also kind of amazing.
Unsettling and amazing is a pretty good summary. Let's dive into the details. So this new team at Meta, reportedly around 100 engineers, is going to be focusing on the hardware and AI for these robots. What are your initial thoughts on that?
100 engineers is a serious commitment. It shows they're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're diving headfirst. It's a big investment, yeah.
Absolutely. And it's not just about building the robots themselves. They're also aiming to create AI sensors and software that other companies can use.
That's smart. Creating a platform, not just a product, it opens up a whole new market for them, right?
Exactly. It's a play for the future of robotics, not just a quick cash grab. The information also mentions Apple and OpenAI are also exploring humanoid robots. Is this a new robotics gold rush?
It certainly seems that way. Big tech is realizing the potential of humanoid robots, and they're all jumping in. It's going to be interesting to see who comes out on top.
And Aptronic just raised a massive $350 million to scale production of their robot, Apollo. The competition is heating up. Wow.
It's a race to the future, and it's going to be fascinating to watch. The implications are huge.
It's not just about the tech, it's about the societal impact. How will these robots change our lives? The information specifically mentions household chores as a focus for Meta's robots. Do you think that's a realistic goal in the near future?
Small cough. It's ambitious, for sure. But with the advancements in AI and robotics, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Think Roomba, but humanoid.
Exactly. It's a step beyond simple automation. We're talking about robots that can actually understand and interact with their environment.
And that's where the real challenge lies. Not just the physical capabilities, but the AI needed to make them truly useful and safe.
Absolutely. It's a complex problem with many moving parts. Meta seems to think widespread availability is still a few years away. Do you agree with that assessment?
I think that's realistic. Developing this kind of technology takes time. There are a lot of hurdles to overcome.
And it's not just the technology. There are ethical considerations, safety concerns, and potential job displacement to think about.
Absolutely. It's not just about building the robots. It's about building a responsible future with them.
It's a conversation we need to be having now, not just when the robots are already here. This isn't just about Meta. It's a reflection of the broader trend in AI and robotics. What does this mean for the future?
It means we're on the cusp of a major technological shift. Humanoid robots could revolutionize many industries.
From healthcare to manufacturing, the possibilities are endless, but also potentially disruptive.
Exactly. We need to be prepared for the changes that are coming, and that includes thoughtful regulation and ethical guidelines.
It's a future full of both exciting possibilities and potential challenges. What do you think Meta's motivations are here? Is this a genuine interest in robotics, or is it a strategic move?
It's probably a bit of both. They clearly see the potential of robotics, but it's also a way to stay ahead of the curve in the tech world.
It's a bold move, and it could pay off big time if they succeed. But it's also a risky one.
High risk, high reward. That's the nature of innovation.
And it's a move that's shaping the future of not just Meta, but the entire tech industry. Looking ahead, what do you think the next big breakthroughs in humanoid robotics will be?
I think we'll see significant advancements in AI, allowing robots to be more adaptable and intelligent, and better dexterity and manipulation skills, for sure.
And what about the cost? Will these robots ever be affordable for the average consumer?
That's a big question. Initially, they'll likely be expensive. But as technology improves and production scales up, the price will hopefully come down.
It's a long-term game, but the potential rewards are enormous. We can't ignore the ethical implications. What are some of the biggest concerns you have about humanoid robots?
Job displacement is a major concern. We need to think about how to mitigate that impact and ensuring safety and preventing misuse. Absolutely.
And what about the potential for bias in the AI that powers these robots?
That's a critical issue. We need to ensure that the AI is fair, unbiased, and transparent. It's a huge responsibility.
It's a complex issue with no easy answers. The AI aspect is crucial. How important is AI to the success of humanoid robots?
It's absolutely essential. Without advanced AI, these robots would be nothing more than expensive toys.
And what kind of AI are we talking about? Is it just machine learning or something more advanced?
It's likely a combination of different AI techniques, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. It's a complex system.
It's a fascinating field, and it's evolving rapidly. That was a great discussion. Thanks for sharing your insights, Grace. It's clear that the future of humanoid robots is both exciting and complex.
My pleasure. It's a topic that deserves a lot more discussion.
Absolutely. And I'm sure we'll be talking about it again soon.